Hello everyone, in this video we will see the top 5 best Linux distros for beginners. Beside CatchyOS, PopOS, Garuda Linux, and Linux Mint are 5 standout Linux distros for gaming, each offering something different. Besides shines for console-like gaming on PCs and handhelds like the Steam Deck. Built on Fedora, it comes preloaded with Steam, Proton, and controller support, making setup easy. It updates automatically and feels smooth and low maintenance. It gives you a console feel with the flexibility of Linux, ideal for gamers who want things to just work right away. CatchyOS is a high-speed Arc-based distro built with performance and gaming in mind. It features a custom kernel, strong hardware compatibility, and built-in gaming optimizations. Steam, Lertis, Wine, and Proton work great right out the box. It looks slick and is easier to install than more Arch systems. Perfect for gamers who want to power and control with too much manual setup. PopOS is clean, user-focused on Linux OS from System 76 that handles gaming and work equally well. It's great with hybrid and NVIDIA graphics, and it runs Steam smoothly right after install. It's styling window manager that helps multitaskers stay organized. Garuda Linux offers a bold, eye-catching desktop with a strong gaming toolkit. It comes preloaded with Steam, Lertis, and game-ready tweaks, but it uses the Zen kernel for better speed. The interface is flashy and packed with features, great for those who like to customize everything. Based for users who want maximum gaming power with style. Linux Mint is known for its simplicity and reliability, making it perfect for new users. Even though it's not built specifically for gaming, it runs Steam, Wine, and Lertis very well. It performs great on older machines and stays rock stable. The Cinema desktop feels familiar to Windows users, a smart choice for casual gamers who want an easy, stable experience. In summary, Beside is best for plug-and-play console-style gaming, CatchyOS for a raw performance, PopOS for a clean gaming plus work setup, Garuda work tweakers who love visuals, and Linux Mint for smoother, beginner-friendly gaming. Thanks for watching, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.